Hi everybody, good afternoon, good afternoon. Welcome back to a brand new vlog and welcome back to my channel. So Christina is behind me and we are walking on the trails today. We are here in the woods walking on the trails today, and we are gonna go for a walk in my parents' neighborhood later this evening as soon as it cools down a little bit. And plans are for today is to head to my parents' house and my husband was gonna work today, but then after that his boss said that he can take the day off today, and his boss said that he can take the day off today and do that today, and he's taking the day off today, and his boss is going to take the day off tomorrow and then head back to work on Monday for full time, and then all through he's going to be working on July 3rd instead of July 4th. So okay, all right, well, okay, all right, okay. So anyway, he's going to be working on July 3rd, and then July 4th he's going to take the day off again, his boss is, and then after that River Phoenix and I are going to spend July 4th together. And we are going to be spending July 4th together. Amy, honey, come on, baby. Okay. All right. So we're going to be spending July 4th together, and it's going to be great. So you're in it. Okay. Anyway, we are going to be going to that's not a rattlesnake. Sorry you guys, we're in the woods that have rattlesnakes in them, so we are being extremely careful today. So we are being extremely careful today, and this is someone's driveway. So we are being extremely careful today, and we are being extremely careful today with the rattlesnakes in the trails behind us, and we are we are about to head to the second part of the, well, right now we're on a sidewalk here. I can't tell whose neighborhood this is, but anyway, but anyway, we are about to go rest in the hammock until it's time to go to my parents' house, and then after that we are going to be doing the 5 4 3 2 1 method at my parents' house instead of the hammock, and so, whoa, the mud. We are going to be we're going to be we anyway, we're going to be going to listen to music today, watch videos on YouTube, watch a movie tonight, and eat some supper tonight too, and maybe just one snack a day. One snack a day is what I can have. So because I don't want to overdo myself, and I also don't want to overeat myself either, okay? And I don't want to get diabetes. I don't want to get a heart attack, and I don't want to have any heart problems either. So right now we are going to head back to the hammock, not up that way, but this way. And we are going to head back to the hammock this way. And then after that, we are going to be we're just gonna have a nice, beautiful, that God has made us a beautiful day. So anyway, we are going to do that. We're gonna do that, and that's all we're gonna do. I don't have anything else to say. So anyway, that's all. So So I'm going to go ahead and click off and upload this vlog and upload this video to my YouTube channel now. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell. And I will see you guys for the next vlog when I get home, okay? Okay, bye everybody. Bye.